Hello, and welcome to Quiet Dignity and Grace. Like, hate, share, scribe, comment if you need to. You'll find links for things down there in the linky spot. Notification bell because reasons. I thank you so much for watching. Let's rock. Long-time viewers know, or once in a while viewer, has seen this sitting up there on the shelf, waiting patiently for its time of the year to shine. What the hell is it, you ask? It's a walnut tumbler. Little guy. Different sizes of copper tubing, 1/2 inch and full inch, I believe, because the only three-way corners I could find in PVC were 1 inch. You work with what you got or what's available. So I made a cube, wired down, chicken wire, that coated chicken wire, so it can stay out season after season without getting hurt. What you do is you throw your walnuts in there, let them weather, get that shell off of them, or the outer coating of them off, and then every couple days give them a spin, and you're left with just the nut. Oh, it was about 3/4 full, by the way. And my dear sweet mother was on the floor going tick, 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 and cleaning up all whatever shrapnel comes out of it, right? I got a shortcut. There you are. Done. She's old school. She doesn't mind putting in the extra work, but there's work harder and there's work smarter. Oh, that's the creosote. That's the actual skin. The green crap rots and falls off of your nut. Just got age restricted. Smarter, not harder. Shatter it, scoop out the meat. There you go. Got about 80 of these to go. Brownies, muffins. Easy breezy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.